Good morning, guys. If you guys haven't subscribed to my both channels, like my Go Dogs for One, Go Dogs Let's Play, and Go Dogs for Go Dog Adventure, this channel right there. Make sure you guys hit the bell notifications so you guys can see what we do on our channels. I would say channels, because I have 3 channels, but make sure you guys subscribe to all 3 of them. That'd be awesome. So, this morning, I've been thinking a lot of stuff lately, and I want to show you guys. I watched, one second. Just put this back in. I've been watching, what's that called? Fat Chance, and it was really good. There's a little blurb that I really want to show you guys, so I'll let you guys listen to it, so hit the roll.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. It's Go Dogs for One.
So basically that was saying that it doesn't matter how big, how small you are, how different you are, it doesn't matter. We can always forgive things. Sometimes it's hard to look at ourselves and judge other people what they are saying. Like, say, for example, if I look at you as a fat, that would be wrong, and I was fat too. I would be saying, oh, it's make fun, and we should not make fun of other people for what they do. So that's why I've been learning, struggling sometimes, but that's okay, you guys. Everyone struggles in their own way. So I will talk to you guys when I'm done editing the video. Right now, you guys, we are going shopping again because I told her to get some stuff. So I'm going to make something really unique, something different. I can't tell you guys, but I'm going to go grocery shopping. So I will talk to you guys when we go grocery shopping. So the very first things first that we are going to do is get the food coloring already organized and really focus on that. So that's what we are doing. So I'll talk to you guys when we are doing the food coloring. So you guys been asking, why are we doing the food coloring things? I'm going to make homemade DIY rainbow what's that called? Rainbow grilled cheese. I saw it in Daily Bumps, so I thought you do it too. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'll talk to you guys whenever I make it. Once we got that done, we're gonna cut up the cheese and put it in the food coloring, and that's what we're gonna do. So I'll talk to you guys then. By the way, make sure you guys get mozzarella, and that's how you do it. So I'll talk to you guys when we put it up, mix it up. So the cheese are in there right now, you guys, soaking a little bit while we are going to get the mixture. I'm just going to flip the mozzarella cheese with the same fork. It doesn't matter because it's going to turn out the exact same thing. So it would not matter what it does. So the next step is basically butter your 2-sided bread. So that's what we're going to do. After when you're done the both butter the sides, you're going to get your cheese out of the food coloring. So that's what we're going to do right now. So talk to you guys when we're doing that. And then layer like a rainbow color. So I'll show you guys what I mean by that. So I'll show you guys that. So then you put it over here. Put it on the stove. And now we just have to wait till it's really, really good. So we are just waiting. So let's go on. Let's wait till it comes. Look at that, you guys. I'm going to cut into it and see what happens. So here goes nothing, and we're going to try it too. Look at that. Pull it apart, you guys. Oh, it didn't really look real good, but this is rainbow grilled cheese. Mmm. Tastes delicious, you guys. Yes. So right now I'm gonna just finish eating. So I'll talk to you guys then. So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work. So I'll talk to you guys when I am done work. So talk to you guys then. So I just got done work and I'm just doing a little bit of shopping because I totally forgot one thing yesterday when I was in town because I used the last thing. So I'll talk to you guys when we are shopping. So I hope you guys enjoyed me making the rainbow grilled cheese sandwich. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments. Excuse me, by the way. What you guys want me to do with the brand new video. Goodbye.